Namaste guys, in this video we are going to learn how to make this simple infographic animation in Blender. So let's start. Before I start, if you want you can download the project file, link in description. So this is the default scene. Press A, X and delete. Press 7 on numpad. Click on add, mesh and click on single word, add single word. Just in case if it is not visible, click on edit preferences and type extra. Make sure that you add mesh extra. Remember mesh one, not the curve one, mesh one. So click on add mesh and add a single words. As you can see that I am in edit mode. Press G X 2. Press E X 1. Press tab to exit the edit mode, sorry. So click on here and add a screw modifier. So you can see, but it is not completely looking circle. So increase the step view. 64 is fine for me. Notice it's look quite good. You might wonder why I type 64, 64. So this 64 is basically what you can see on your viewport. This 64 is basically what you render out. Okay. So for example, if you want more better quality, just type 128. Okay. So this is basically the output render quality and this is what you see right here. So I got this value. Now I need to add a text. So how can I do that? So click on add and how would I add text? I will simply click on the text, click on geometry, press 7, select this, click on new. So let's see what kind of things I want. So if I press shift A, I want curve to string, or what is string to curves. So paste this. After that, what I have to do is press shift A, type string value, I guess. Value to string. Yes, this is what I want. So paste this. Sorry if you are hearing any unwanted noise. I can't do anything for that. Make sure they are middle. As you can see, it's totally exactly in the center of it. And this is basically what I want. Now, what I will do, I will press shift A, press fill curve. After that, I will press shift A, curve to mesh, and this is thing. Now, what I want shift A value, math note, shift A math, so math, and press shift A, shift, shift D. I want two math notes. So I will attach this math note here and this math note here as well. So what I want to animate it with this circle. So what I can do is select this. So I want to make a value animation to 0 to 100. Okay, for 0 to 100 what I can do is uh, I will right click on this, click as copy as new driver, select the text, right click on it, click on paste driver. So for those who don't know, the value by default are in radians. I have to convert into degrees. So what I can do, I will click on multiply. Multiply by what? 180 divided by pi. Pi means pi. Okay. It's simple conversion. Nothing sci-fi. Now the problem is my value is showing, but but it is not in 0 to 100. So it is basically the exact value whatever it is here, but this is not I want. So if I select this thing, and instead of add, click on divide by 360. uh, okay, let's see where I did the wrong. 360. mm, this one, 1, 2, 3, 6. uh, Multiply 360 and something wrong. Let me see. Okay, so I got it. So what I have to do is basically now I have to add a one more math node. So I will press like this, press Shift D, add this. Click on here and click on divide by 360, and here multiply by 100. So let's try to understand what actually I have done is okay. So So let's try to understand what actually I've done is. So basically I'm taking the value from this, okay, and I'm getting the value in radians. As you can see, 6.283. So 6.283, this is the value in radian. First I have to convert into degrees. So for that reason, I have multiplied by 180 by pi. Okay. Now after getting into this value, what I get in degrees. Now if I divide by 360 degree, I will get some values like for example 1.28 or something else. Okay. Now after that I multiply by this number by 100. So I got 100. For example, if this three if this value come out to be 360 degree, 360 by 360 equal to 1 into 100, 100. So this one convert into degrees, this one convert into fraction value, this one multiply it and give it the final result, and this one convert that value into string, and this value into curve, this value fill the curves, and this value convert into mesh. Okay, so I hope you got my point, what is actually going on here. Now I also want to add some material here, so I press shift a, set material. Let's add some material here. Let's make it yellowish. uh, Give it some name, circle. Okay, so select this. uh, so this one is getting material, and go to the layout. Yep, this one got the material, so I will select this one and give it a material as well. Click on new. Let's give it simple white. I will go here, make the background black, like future by. uh, okay, notice something, that the material is not applied here. Why? I'm using something called geometry nodes. So I have used something called set material here. No, remember? So click on here and select the white. You can choose any color as per your requirement. So this is how it looks like. Let's make it little bit better. So I will go here and color management and make it standard. Notice it looks much better. And this text style, I don't like the font style. So I will go to the geometry nodes, click on here and select any font style that I think is okay. So this one, not that great. Arial, yep, is garbage though. So select, let's increase its height, size, sorry. 1.5 is fine. Now to animate it, what I can do is select the circle, go here and make it 0, and let's say go to the 180, make it 180, sorry, 180, no, 360 degree, and make it 180 frames. Select these two, press T, linear, click on play, and voila, it's done. So if you have any kind of doubts and queries, feel free to ask. Okay, I hope you guys learned something from this tutorial. Feel free to ask any kind of doubts and queries, and please subscribe this channel as it's supposed to create me more and better contents. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Namaste.